Hi, I'm Alexia Hall with Black Video News, and we're here with some members of the San Antonio Black Lawyers Association. What's your name, sir, and can you give us some history?
Cornelius Cox. I'm a lawyer. I started practicing law in Miami, Florida, and I moved to San Antonio in 1992, and I'm a proud member of the San Antonio Black Lawyers Association. The association itself has been around since the early 70s. I wasn't one of the founding officers. One of the founding officers, a deceased person by the name of Hattie Briscoe. And over the years, this organization has stood for trying to have an effective voice in the community, so black lawyers can speak to those issues that are concerned, that should be concerned to everyone, but especially a concern to blacks in the community.
So that's why you guys sponsored the Zimmerman Forum.
That's correct. We have a history of these types of forums. We had one after the situation with the Rodney King, that was years ago. At that time, we actually brought the lawyer, Terry White from California, that actually tried the case against the officers that were accused of beating Rodney King. Not too long ago, several years ago, we had the prosecutor that was involved in the Medgar Evers trial. He came to San Antonio and he spoke, and I was at the Carver Center. And we tried to present these types of forums, these types of events, so we can educate the public about some of the things that goes on in the judicial system.
Okay, so we have another member here. What's your name, ma'am?
Stephanie Boyd.
And can you tell us about some upcoming events that the association may have and how it benefits the community?
Well, not every year, during the election cycle, the San Antonio Black Lawyers Association always put on a judicial candidates forum, and this is to help the public know who actually is serving as judges in the community so they can make an informed decision on who to vote for. For example, a lot of the public does not realize that you can actually come into a courtroom as a concerned citizen and just watch different trials. And I always tell people, you don't know a judge. You may hear about how they rule and wonder why did they rule in a certain way, but until you've actually sat in the courtroom, you don't really understand what's going on in a courtroom. As you all know, usually you only come to the courtroom if maybe you're getting a divorce or there's a child support matter or someone's on the criminal side that has some concern to you. Maybe your family's been a victim of a crime. That's really the only time you come into a courtroom. So we just want to educate the public with our Judicial Candidates Forum and get the word out that courtrooms are open public places.
Well, thank you. I'm Alexia with Black Video News at St. Mary's University.